Imagine cruising down an open road, wind in your hair, sun on your face, and everything you need to live, explore, and relax packed into a sleek, futuristic tricycle that turns heads wherever it goes. This isn't just a dream, this is the 2026 Camper Tricycle RV, the wild fusion of freedom, design, and technology that's rewriting the rulebook for how we travel. And trust me, once you see what this beast can do, you'll never look at adventure the same way again. This is not your grandpa's RV, gone are the boxy, clunky rigs of yesterday. What we have here is something straight out of a sci-fi movie, a three-wheeled marvel that blends the agility of a motorcycle with the comfort of a micro-home, all wrapped in a design so bold it stops traffic. It's sleek, aerodynamic, and compact, yet surprisingly spacious. The lines are futuristic, the bodywork is sculpted with a purpose, and the LED lighting gives it that electric glow that screams innovation. Whether it's parked at a scenic overlook or gliding through the city streets, this trike doesn't just move, it makes a statement. But it's not just about looks. The real magic begins the moment you step inside. Or should I say, climb in. The cabin opens with a soft hydraulic hiss, revealing a high-tech, ultra-efficient interior that's been engineered down to the millimeter. You'd be shocked at how much fits inside this compact frame. We're talking a convertible bed that folds neatly into the wall, an ultra-modern kitchenette with induction cooking, a pop-up shower unit with water-saving tech, and even a fold-out desk for digital nomads who want to take their work on the road. It's like a Swiss Army knife of camper life, compact but capable. And let's talk about the tech. This isn't just an RV, it's a smart RV, think voice-controlled lighting, temperature adjustment with a simple gesture, and a panoramic touchscreen dashboard that syncs with your devices. Want to check your route, monitor your battery levels, or adjust your solar panels? It's all there, sleek, intuitive, and right at your fingertips. And yes, you heard that right, solar panels. The 2026 Camper Tricycle RV is powered by a state-of-the-art electric drivetrain backed by roof-mounted solar panels and a regenerative braking system. That means fewer stops at the charging station and more time doing what matters most, exploring. Now imagine this, you're parked at the edge of a cliff, overlooking a glowing valley as the sun dips below the horizon. You pop open the panoramic roof hatch, slide out the modular deck from the back of the RV, and suddenly, your living space doubles. There's built-in seating, ambient lighting, and even a retractable canopy overhead. You're sipping a warm cup of coffee, watching the stars light up the night sky, and not a single ounce of noise or pollution is coming from your ride. That's the beauty of this trike, it lets you experience nature without disturbing it. But how does it ride? Oh, it's smooth, unbelievably so. Thanks to its low center of gravity and advanced active suspension, this trike hugs corners like a sports bike but glides like a luxury cruiser. Whether you're navigating city alleys, mountain roads, or sandy coastal highways, it adapts instantly. The AI-assisted driving mode reads the terrain and adjusts power and balance in real time. And if you're tired or just want to enjoy the view, activate the semi-autonomous cruise mode and let the trike take the wheel while you kick back. Security? Covered. The entire unit is built with reinforced composite materials, and it features facial recognition entry, biometric ignition, and a 360-degree security cam system that links directly to your phone. If someone even thinks about getting too close, you'll know about it. And inside? There's even a hidden safe for your valuables. Because when you're traveling this far off-grid, peace of mind is priceless. One of the coolest parts? The customization. You're not locked into a single layout or color scheme. This trike comes with modular build options, so whether you're a solo traveler, a digital couple, or even a small family, there's a setup that suits your vibe. 2026 Camper Tricycle RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a movement. It's the freedom to roam, the tech to thrive, and the style to turn heads every mile of the way. And hey, if you're still watching, you're probably already picturing your first road trip in this beauty, right? Where would you go first? The mountains, the coast, the desert, the forest? Wherever it is, this trike can take you there. So don't just dream it. Ride it. Live it. Own the road, and your story, one futuristic mile at a time. And believe me, The future has never looked this cool.